Hi guys, welcome to Simplifying Tech. So in today's session, we are going to check how we can replace audio in the existing video. So we will explore two simple ways in order to replace audio in video. So one is like a online method and one is like a offline method. So both are very easy to understand. So there is often requirement where you have recorded any video and you are not happy with the audio part and you want to replace that audio, or in any video suppose you want to add some background music, or you want to add some song into background for that particular music, you want to replace the music in the existing video and you are not getting how to do it, so you came to write video. So in the agenda today, to replace the audio in existing video, so we have two methods. One is the online method, where we are using this website called as onlineconvertor.com, which is a free and very easy to use. So we will see this first, and then in the offline method, so we are going to use this Openshot video editor. So that is a free and open source, so it is a totally free of cost, so we can use it in Windows easily, where we can replace our audio tracks. In online method, so we are going to use this www.onlineconvertor.com. so let's get started. So go to this website, converter. Okay, let's go here first. Okay, so this is an online converter. This is a free of cost. There is no paid charges for this, so this is completely free. So you have to go to video converter option. So in the video converter, so you need to scroll down and you need to find this related video tools, and here you can see this add audio to video. So add or replace background music in the video, so choose this add audio to video. So I will provide this link into video description also, so you can choose from that. So here like we have to provide input as a video file and output as a another audio file. Okay, so let's see the demo. So we have two sample files. One is a video and one is a additional audio. So let's play the video. Okay, so this is the video. This is and this is the audio. So let's replace this audio file. So in the online converter, so you can see I have to choose the original video file and I have to provide the additional audio track in order to replace that particular audio. Okay, so let's give this video file as input and let's give the audio file that we are going to replace in this video. Okay, and here in the option, so you have to select this replace audio in video. Okay, don't change anything, so directly hit on convert button in order to replace your audio into video. So this will take time as per your machine speed. So it's converting now. Okay, so you can see it is completed. So you're getting one option to download this file. So let's say download. Yeah, so your video file is ready with the new audio file. So let's play this. Yeah, so you this way like you can replace audio into your video by using online converter. So now going for offline method. So as I mentioned, so for offline method we are using this Openshot video editor. So we need to go to Google and let's say type Openshot video editor. So you can see Openshot is an award-winning free and open source video editor for Linux, Mac and Windows. So here like this is the Openshot video editor. We need to go to download section. Yeah, so this is a totally free of cost, and we can directly download this Windows 64-bit installer. So here there is a blue download button, so click on this. Okay, so our download is started. So this you can see this Openshot video editor setup is downloaded exe file. So we need to install this into our Windows machine. So double click on this in order to start the installation. So click on OK. Here you can accept this agreement and say next. Choose your installing location. Say next. Create desktop icon. Next and say install. Okay, so it has completing installation. So let's say finish and click on this launch Openshot. Okay, okay, so this is our Openshot video editor. So you can see Openshot is a free and open source video editor for Windows. Okay, so yeah, so now we have this video and we have this music track. So let's play this video first. And this is the music, so we will replace this music with existing, and we have this audio file that we are going to replace in this video. Let's play this. So what we have to do, so go to this Openshot video editor, and here just we need to upload this two tracks. So just click on this, just select on this two tracks and just drag and drop to our video editor. So you can see here this video and this audio came. So now this video you can drag and drop to below panel in order to edit your video. So here first step is like we need to remove the audio part from the existing video. So for that this is our video. So click on this video and you can see this option separate audio. So it is saying single clip all channels. So click on this single clip. So you can see this audio is removed here. Audio is separated from video. Okay, so now we have to delete this, and this is the only video. So you can see this is the only video, no audio. So just we need to replace this with our new track. So copy this here and let's try to play this. Okay, so in the editor, so this video is working with new audio. So just we need to export this. So for that, here we can see this export video option. So click on this and you can give this folder path where you want to save this file, and you have to give the output file name. Okay, so for now I'm giving this and this target will be MP4 only, and video profile will be 720p. Okay, so let's click on this export video in order to see your output. Okay, so it is completed 100%. So click on done and let's verify if it is working. So go to, yeah, so this file is created, output.mp4. So let's play this in order to check if it is getting replaced or not. Yeah, so that's it. So in existing video, so we have our new audio track is playing. So this way, you can able to replace your audio in the existing video. So now you might got a question like which one we have to choose. So easiest way and less steps involved is a online converter option, where you can directly go to the online converter.com and you can directly convert that file. So that is the easier one. But if your video file is huge and you want to edit your video file also, then you can go with the Openshot video editor. So both are good, so you can try it and let me know how you find it. If you are facing any issues, then you can reach out in comment box. So that's it for today. Do subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot.